Today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment YO22, Excel chapter 13, problem solve, Milligan Boutiques. That's our assignment title. You will read the project description. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, open the downloaded file name, Excel chapter 13, ES1 matrix. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file where you are sorting your file. I have already opened the file and saved my file. So we will move to our second step. In our second step, he is asking on the sales worksheet, use the geographic data type to view the corresponding population for each state in the list in the table. So you will select this list in the table and you will go to the data tab. In the data types, you have here a data type. You will select in the data type, you will select the geography. My Excel don't have a latest version, that's why it's not showing here. So you will go to the data types and here select the geography type. So you will find this. That's our second step. In our third step, what is set asking to build an interactive dashboard for multiple tables. Each table must be first added to the data model. On the sales data worksheet tab, add the each table to the data model. So you will select in any table, go to the power pivot and select add to data model. Select this one now added. You see this one table is now added. Close this one, then select this one and also add the data model. Now second table is also added and select the third table and select add to data model. Now our three tables are added into the data model. And we will move to our fourth step. Edit the data model by completing the following task on the sales worksheet. Format the purchase date field as a 3/14/2021. So we will go to the purchase date worksheet here in the sales data 2024. That's our purchase date. We will select this one first as a decimal number. Then here you will select the date and press yes. So we have got our date and we will select this one data type. So it's now in this data type. And what we need to do, format the price field as a currency. Price field, this is our price field. We will select this one as a currency and press yes. So that's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? On the sales data power pivot tab, create a calculated column to the right of the year. Name this one as a revenue. So we will copy this one. We will go to the power pivot window. Here he is asking to add a new column. We will add a new column as a revenue. And what we need to do again, we will put is equal to price multiplied by quantity. We will put this one in formula here. So we will get our required values. You see we have got our values in the revenue column. Format the column as a currency. So we have already formatted this one as a currency. You see we have already got this one as a currency. That's our fifth step. We have total 15 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. I will show you a complete solution of this file. I will close this one file. So I will show you a solution of this file. I have already done for my client. It's now opening. No, it's not like that. It's this one matrix. When you complete this one, that one is seem like that. You will first table, second, then third table, and then fourth this one and fifth this one. You will find this one. As a result, we have hide one our sheet, which is sales sheet. It's hidden now. That's our complete solution. So if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you don't want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video. So I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.